Hey guys, it's Andi, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a faux floral arrangement with Old Time Pottery. This arrangement can be placed anywhere you like. It's an all year long look, so don't be afraid to keep it through the seasons. You can mix and match decor all around it. So let's start. First, I chose my favorite vase to create my arrangement in. You will want to find a vase that will have a decent sized width to the opening so your stems have room to wiggle. I bought 2 greenery stems to add texture, 1 statement flower like my magnolia, and 1 flower for texture. Okay, so let's make it. First, you will want to place your greenery one by one, both going in opposite directions. Next, you will want to add your statement flower, like the magnolia. Make sure to place it in front so that it can get all the attention. And finally, add your textured flower, and repeat the steps above.